In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can draw and use the freeform shapes in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First is we just need to open Microsoft Word, to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then at the ribbon at the top, you'll find all these tabs. We just need to simply look for the Insert tab. And here we can find Shapes. Click on this drop down. And then we just need to look for the lines. And here you'll find this option, Freeform. The Freeform shape, click on that. Then you can just simply draw the form that you want to. Because it's a free form. You can freely draw the shape that you wanted. And that's it. Okay? That's how you can easily draw and use the freeform shape in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.